so I don't forget anything.
You got it set?
I go sleep.
Okay. You, Dominic goes to bed and closes his eyes. But once more, he fails to dream, but finds himself in this room. It's startling similar now that you've seen the inside. The Strahd room, just different furniture. Same layout, same curtains.
Oh no. Mhm.
And the man that you come to know as your patron, he still hasn't given you a name, but he sits at the table, sitting waiting for you.
Oh, does he look mad?
He looks, do an insight check.
I'm okay. I just closed my document. Give me 1 second. Okay, I rolled insight 15.
If anything, he looks kind of amused.
Oh no. Okay, I'll go sit next to him. Or in front of him. Out of respect.
Well, you and your group had a fun little heist today.
Uh, yeah, we stole Methuselah's brothers away, I think, or something.
That's going to have some fun consequences, don't you think?
I have fucking. I don't know. I figure if Methuselah gets a brother, then we could get a brother out of here, and then we can get Tar out of here, and then we can leave. Does that not make any sense?
Makes much sense as you want it to make.
The fuck does
But
that
don't you
mean?
think things are going to be a bit harder now?
Well, I mean, things have already been hard. Things are bound to get worse already.
She's been going easy on you, but now you've taken something that's hers.
She's been going easy on us.
And she has.
What do you mean she's been going easy? She hasn't done anything.
You think Barovia's like this naturally?
Evil and fucked up? Yeah, probably.
This land used to be beautiful, used to be good. Every zombie attack, every werewolf bite, that's the work of her.
So she's the one who made Jax turn to a werewolf.
She willed it. Why else do you think the wolf would stray that close to the encampment?
I thought he was just an asshole.
Well, that he is, but he's a bit of a coward. Well,
Oh no. Does that mean does that mean she sees us all the time?
not all the time, which piqued her interest a bit more than it would have.
Well, what I don't get is why is she focusing so bad on us when, like Wolfgang, he takes people out all the time, or even Aspen takes people in and out all the time.
Those people are usually of no consequence or importance. Just more playthings.
But taking a husband, that's not
What
a
was
play.
that?
But taking a husband, that's not a plaything. That's a husband, right?
That's her property. You stole from her.
Fuck. Do you know what she does to people who do that?
I've seen it. I've experienced it. And it's not something you want floating around in that head of yours.
I'm gonna be thinking about a lot anyways, so you may as well.
Oh yeah, what you two did to that friend of yours.
I didn't want to,
But you didn't stop him.
but he just looked at me the way that he does, and I can't say no to him when he looks at me like that.
Weak of heart and mind.
Oh, that hurts his feelings so much. He doesn't even hide how much that hurts him. He sort of looks down and is like, yeah, I guess so.
Do you think he'll do the same for you? Turn his back and let you break the rules?
I don't know. But I mean, I do it for him, and that's all that matters, really. To me. He's sort of been through a lot more than I have. And I won't pretend like I know what he's going through. Talking about that mirror and stuff like that, but I mean, I just want to try and make him as happy as I can. If he wants to.
Even at the cost of another's? At what point will you say no, Dominic? I mean, he asked you to kill someone, did he not? Oh well, I guess you more volunteered to do it.
What was I supposed to do?
Maybe talk some sense into him.
I'm not really good at sense, I'm just good at killing things. I'm good at doing what I'm told. Killing things.
That's why I picked you.
Yeah, so why are you getting on my case about not knowing how to say no to someone?
Habits die hard, I guess. I just expected you a bit stronger.
That hurts his feelings even more. Oh, I guess we all expect more than what we'll get, right?
What was that?
Dominic says, I guess we expect more than we actually get, right?
Thing I've been used to. So what's your plan now?
I mean, I want to find Tara. And I want to find who the fuck the other Leonin is.
Shouldn't be too hard, a giant lion.
I don't even know where they are. No, they're in Veloki, right? Wait, are they in Veloki for Tar?
I think I've given you enough information without getting anything in return.
Do you want something?
I think the direction you and your group are heading is a interesting one. I can't tell if they're going to break apart or grow stronger together.
Our whole group?
Your whole group.
Um,
How about this? Next thing Jax asks for, no matter how big or how important it is, I want you to say no.
fucking say no.
For the next 2 days. That's a good time period.
Hold on, I kind of have to write this down. For the next 2 days, say no to everything Jax asks.
Yes.
Is that everything Jax asks Dominic to do?
And everything that would be expected of Dominic.
And every. Oh no!
You know, carrying him around, protecting him.
Can I at least protect him of my own will?
To an extent.
Are you gonna beat the shit out of me if I do stop protecting him?
Something a bit worse than that. I mean, I know you, Dominic. No point in hurting you.
No.
You'll just take the pain.
No, not him. Okay, fine. Fine. Whatever. For 2 days only, right?
Unless I decide to band. But 2 days is a good start point. Good training for you.
I'm not a dog. Well,
Then don't act like one.
fine. I won't. Tell me your name, please. Looks back at you.
Make a persuasion check.
I will do that. That's pretty good. That's 14 plus 17. Please.
You can call me Sergey.
Can you spell that for me, please?
Sergei.
Crgeer.
No C. No C.
Sorry, I'm slow.
SE.
SERGEI.
RG. EI.
Sergi. Oh, wow. I guess you were actually giving me your name last time when you were like, call me sir. Alright. Thank you, Sergi. I will. I guess get the fuck out of here then.
Yes, you should. And Dominic, you are slam back into your consciousness.
Hey, Inu.
Yeah?
Fucking then don't act like one. Oh my god, that was the sexiest thing in the fucking world. Oh my god. Literally, mwah, beautiful.
Sergey is that type of man.
He's sexy. Someone's like,
Yeah.
what's up? Thank you, Inu. Okay, wait, let me stop the recording.